Hello, friends. Most welcome to my channel, Scienceopedia. As you all must have guessed, that today I'm going to talk about the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. So let's start. But friends, before we start, please watch this video till end to know about the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. There are many incidents that happened, and people believe that these were caused due to the Bermuda Triangle. The famous incidents that happened are: first, Alan Austin. The Alan Austin supposedly came across a derelict ship placed on board it a prize crew and attempted to sail in tandem with it to New York in 1881. According to the stories, the derelict disappeared, others elaborating further that the derelict reappeared minus the prize crew and then disappeared again with a second prize crew on board. A check from Lloyd's of London records proved the existence of Meta, built in 1854, and that in 1880 Meta was renamed Alan Austin. Second, USS Cyclops. The incident resulting in the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy not related to combat occurred when the collier Cyclops, carrying a full load of manganese ore with one engine out of action, went missing without a trace with a crew of 309 sometime after March 4, 1918, after departing the island of Barbados. Carol A. Deering. A five-masted schooner built in 1919, Carol A. Deering was found hard-ground and abandoned at Diamond Shallows, near Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, on January 31, 1921. Rumors and more at the time indicated Deering was a victim of piracy, possibly connected with the illegal rum-running trade during Prohibition, and possibly involving another ship, Havit, which disappeared at roughly the same time. Just hours later, an unknown steamer sailed near the lightship along the track of Deering and ignored all signals from the lightship. It is speculated that Havit may have been this mystery ship and possibly involved in Deering's crew disappearance. Flight 19. Flight 19 was a training flight of 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers that disappeared on December 5, 1945. While over the Atlantic, the squadron's flight plan was scheduled to take them due east from Fort Lauderdale for 141 miles north for 73 miles and then back over a final 140-mile leg to complete the exercise. The flight never returned to base. Star Tiger and Star Aerial. GAHNP Star Tiger disappeared on January 30, 1948 on a flight from the Azores to Bermuda. AGRE Star Aerial disappeared on January 17, 1949 on a flight from Bermuda to Kingston, Jamaica. Both were Avro Tudor 4 passenger aircraft operated by British South American Airways. Douglas DC-3. On December 28, 1948, a Douglas DC-3 aircraft number NC-16002 disappeared while on a flight from San Juan, Puerto Rico to Miami. No trace of the aircraft or the 32 people on board was ever found. A Civil Aeronautics Board investigation found there was insufficient information available on which to determine probable cause of the disappearance. Connemara 4. On the morning of September 22, Connemara 4 was lying to a heavy mooring in the open roadstead of Carlisle Bay. Because of the approaching hurricane, the owner strengthened the mooring ropes and put out 2 additional anchors. There was little else he could do, as the exposed mooring was the only available anchorage. In Carlisle Bay, the sea in the wake of Hurricane Janet was awe-inspiring and dangerous. The owner of Connemara 4 observed that she had disappeared. KC-135 Stratotankers. On August 28, 1963, a pair of U.S. Air Force KC-135 Stratotanker aircraft collided and crashed into the Atlantic 300 miles west of Bermuda. Some writers say that while the two aircrafts did collide, there were two distinct crash sites, separated by over 160 miles of water. However, Cush's research showed that the unclassified version of the Air Force investigation report revealed that the debris field defining the second crash site was examined by a search and rescue ship and found to be a mass of seaweed and driftwood tangled in an old buoy. So friends, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.